If you're wondering how you can hide apps in the calculator of the Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the Google Play Store, then in the search bar just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open and select Agree and Continue. Select Grant. Now just enable this toggle. After that, just tap on Got It. And from here, just create a 4-digit PIN. Then tap on the equal to button to save. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Then tap on the equal to button. Now just tap on Skip and select Skip. Now just tap on Hide. And from here, just select the apps which you want to hide. Just like that. Then tap on Next and tap on Enter. Select Calculator. And once you do that, the selected apps will be hidden from the home screen and from the app drawer of your smartphone. Just like that. Now to find the hidden apps, just open the calculator app, then enter the PIN which we have created earlier. After you enter your PIN, then tap on the equal to button. Now as you can see, these are the apps which we have hidden on our smartphone. And this is how you can hide apps in calculator on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.